you preparing this next generation for the changes that are happening in this third wave, which you call adaptive processes around business transformation?
Yeah, that's a great question. And we got to prepare a lot of people for this age of AI we're moving into. And it's all about human plus machine and how people and technology work together. Everybody needs a foundation in digital and AI-related technology to some extent. And it's about imagination. We have the title, Reimagining Work, in the title of the book, and the imagination part is critical to make sure we design the world of the future in the right way, and the children understanding how to develop that playful skill and that experimentation skill and that imagination skill is really going to be important for the world that we're creating in the future.
How do you see the relationship between human and machine?
Yeah, I think it's like any technology we've ever used as human beings from the time we developed the first arrowheads and stone axes in the Stone Age. AI is no different, and it's about imagining and creating the jobs of the future where we combine the best of our human skills and augment that with machine skills to make us better.
But looking over the data since the 70s of robotic automatic changes, actually there's apparently an increase in jobs.
Yeah, we've got an optimistic, I'd say a cautiously optimistic view on what's going to happen with jobs. There's certainly going to be many millions of people whose jobs are impacted in the short to medium term with AI as we use it to automate and do things differently. That's been the case, again, with every technology. And we have to make sure that we're investing in equipping people who are impacted to reskill them and retrain them for the jobs that are coming. AI requires many new roles, many interesting new jobs to support the AI systems we're developing, the robotic systems, and make them work. I think the work you're doing at Box Spring to really reinvent learning, look at new ways of transforming learning, that is what the future's about.
And as you said, in a fun way, experimental way, the creativity side of this is excellent. One of the first quotes that Paul and James Wilson have in their book, Human+Machine, is a quote by Alan Turing. Those who can imagine anything can create the impossible. Box Spring's core methodology is built around behavioral science and CQ, communication intelligence. And today at the Turing Institute, the session with the CTO of Accenture, Paul Daugherty, and the CEO of the Turing Institute, Sir Alan Wilson, verified that these are two essential building blocks to enable a human-centric, AI-enabled workforce. Our responsibility today as leaders is to be thoughtful and forward-thinking. We do have a chance, an opportunity right now to be thoughtful about these building blocks. And as Paul says, be less adversarial about AI, because it really is here to stay, and let's be more collaborative and embrace it. And let's ensure that we are upskilling and putting in places nets to actually help that